The Umayyad Mosque stands in Damascus. It is a testament to history. The mosque has seen empires rise and fall. It has witnessed the tides of time. Once a temple to Jupiter, it became a symbol of unity. It embodies the shared history of Islam and Christianity. The mosque's location is significant. Damascus, an ancient city, embraced Islam. The Umayyad Caliphate chose it as their capital. This decision elevated the city's religious importance. The Umayyad Mosque is an architectural triumph. It boasts a grand courtyard. The courtyard, a sea of serenity, welcomes visitors. 3 minarets pierce the sky. They stand as sentinels of faith. The mosque's prayer hall is breathtaking. It is adorned with marble and mosaics. Sunlight streams through stained glass windows. The effect is magical. It creates a celestial ambience. The Umayyad Mosque is a masterpiece of Islamic art. Its mosaics are world-renowned. They depict intricate patterns and breathtaking scenes. These scenes transport viewers to paradise. The mosque's calligraphy is equally impressive. Verses from the Quran adorn its walls. The calligraphy serves as both art and devotion. It reflects the beauty of Islamic art. Stepping into the Umayyad Mosque is an experience. It's a journey through time. It's a testament to human artistry. The mosque's beauty transcends words. Its spiritual resonance captivates the soul. Explore Islamic art, discover its wonders. Delve into the rich history. It is a journey of discovery. Subscribe to this channel for more.